Here we go. So make sure you never push the ice cream down hard against the blade, especially this one. It's not that super powerful, so don't push the ice cream hard against it. And whatever you're using, don't jam it against the blade or it's not going to spin. So just loosely put stuff in, spin it up, and you can always add more if you need to. Hello my friends, and welcome back. Today we're checking out this awesome blender, Blender Bravo, your healthy life. It's a 300, wow, that's awesome. It's a 300 watt max blender, juice, grains, or beans. You know, you can do milkshakes and all kinds of stuff. It can break ice. It has, oh my goodness, my friends, 20,000 RPM and a 6,000 mAh battery. Wow. All right, let's get unboxing, and we will be testing this out with you. I'm gonna be making some milkshakes because I love testing blenders with making milkshakes. And yes, you guys can do milkshakes with a blender. Quick, simple, and easy. So it comes in a nice canvas bag type carrying pouch. It comes with a power charger for it. So, oh, that's pretty awesome. They come with multiple cups. So check this out, my friends. Twist it to take off the top cap. So, wow, that's really, really cool. I wasn't expecting that. I didn't think it came with a small cap. That's gonna work great for doing coffee beans and other stuff. So they also give you, it looks like, a lid. Wow, that's awesome. For drinking. That's really good for protein shakes. Also, a sealable lid. So let me show you guys how that would work. So that might be for, yes. Okay, so that's for that. Okay, so it looks like the lids are going to be for your big bottle, which is right here. So your lids are for this. Now, if you are doing the big bottle here, you're going to want to take this off. So this piece will come off, and then that sits on. So don't try and put it on like that. You might have a problem. Alright, to turn it on, you press and hold the power button. And now it goes and shows you. Press it again, and it counts down. You can press it to turn it off, or you can let it count down. Once you have it plugged into a USB port, it says CH and it's charging. Now you can use this with a power bank, so this could be taken on camping, fishing trips, hunting trips, wherever you want to go outdoors. Just get a power bank and plug the USB into a power bank, which is what we're using right now to power this. And you can charge this, so in the middle of the woods, in the middle of nowhere, you guys can have your blender with you. Of course, once it's fully charged, you know, you can take it anywhere with you. Even if it's not fully charged, you can take it with you. It's just, if you want to keep blending, if you're going on a long trip, then you would definitely want a power bank. All right, let's test this out. So guys, the great thing about this one is that when you press the power button and the top's off, it just gives you an error. That way it doesn't spin, that way you don't accidentally cut yourself. It will only work if this is on and turned in place. All right, let's make some milkshakes. So all you need, how I make milkshakes is very simple. All I use is ice cream and milk. That's it. So you guys can use any ice cream that you want in here. So what I do is I just put in a bunch of scoops, and then I put in the milk, and I just kind of eye everything up. I've been doing this for years and years. Fun fact, you actually can use water with ice cream to make milkshakes. you don't use a lot of water. It's not as good with, if you use milk, but it's actually possible, and it's not too bad. I know a lot of people out there thinking, oh my goodness, no way, I would never put water with ice cream to make a milkshake. Hey, sometimes when you just want a milkshake, desperate times call for desperate measures. Alright, so what I like to do is put some ice cream in, and then I add the milk, and I kind of weigh it out a little bit, so that's probably going to be enough for now. Make sure you have your lid on tight, and then I will go ahead and add some more ice cream. After a while, if you're doing this multiple times, you're going to get used to how much ice cream you can put in. We're getting close. You can always add more ice cream. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and push this in. Twist on. There we go. Now, make sure you never push the ice cream down hard against the blade, especially this one. It's not that super powerful, so don't push the ice cream hard against it, and whatever you're using, don't jam it against the blade or it's not going to spin. So just loosely put stuff in, spin it up, and you can always add more if you need to. And now, depending on the consistency you like, you're going to add more milk to make it more liquidy, or less milk to make it more thicker. So that's it. Make sure you have a long enough straw, or you can drink it directly. Sometimes I add strawberries. I tell you what, it is delicious. Absolutely delicious, guys. So the blender worked good. Overall, I'm happy. Good portable blender.